Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for the Whitmore-Burns Scar in southeastern Okanagan County in north central Washington until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:22 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Whitmore-Burns Scar. Between 0.1 and 0.3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Whitmore-Burns Scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Whitmore-Burns Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Nespelon Community. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Okanagan, Washington,